Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your profile picture invisible on Discord. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Discord and then you need to click on user settings and then you need to click on edit user profile and then you need to click on change avatar and then you need to click on upload file and then you need to click on download. So I'm already download a transparent profile picture, so I'm going to select this one and then I need to click on apply and then I need to click on save change and then I need to go back to show you. So you can see that now my profile picture is invisible. Let me show you again by refreshing it. So you can see that now my profile picture is invisible. So by following these steps you can easily change your profile picture on Discord and make it invisible. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.